Good afternoon. Today we will be demonstrating our stock market visualizer project. Um, the stock market visualizer, the whole goal of it is to provide a dynamic view of stock market trends, focusing on top gainers, which are stocks that have increased the most, top losers, which are stocks that have decreased the most, and most actively traded stocks, which are stocks with the most volume. This data could be very useful for stock and option traders that are looking for specific stocks that meet a certain criteria. We have a couple of features here. This is real data from the stock market from last trading day close. Sample data. We have implemented a, a function in our project that will create 100,000 stocks to use as sample data if you want to practice or anything. You can view top gainers, top losers, and most actively traded stocks. Uh, and you can show detailed stock data for a certain stock, such as price, change percentage, and volume. We use curl, C++, JSON for modern C++, and the Alpha Vantage API for real stock trading data. If you'd like to uh, get a free key to use real data, you can follow these instructions here. And here we have instructions for running the program and generating sample data. I'll demonstrate using real data. I'm sorry, I'll demonstrate, using real data, and afterwards I'll demonstrate how to use sample data. So it'll tell you, would you like to use a sample data set or data from last market close? Once we go real, we'll open our top gainers. As you can see, these are the top 20 gainers, which are stocks that have increased in month. And if I select number 2, TWG, it'll show you the price, the change amount, change percentage, and volume. And the same thing for top losers. It'll show you. It uses a max heap to have them in the correct order. The price, change amount, change percentage, and volume. And here we have the most actively traded stocks. And these is based on the max heap. The one with the highest volume will be at the top of the heap. And I will show you how to generate sample data if you choose to go about doing that. If you run the generate.cpp, here it says successfully generate 100,000 entries. And we could go ahead back to our main program. If we just type in sample, we could go ahead and choose any of the same options as before. And as you can see here, this is all sample data. And we have our sample data as a JSON. If you see up here, most actively traded, top losers, and our top gainers. We'll just go ahead and it shows you the same information. And the most actively traded. All right, that just about concludes our presentation of this program. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. And I hope our program can be useful.